way before you fall in love with that house. The purchase price and the interest rates are certainly important, but not the most important. These two other things you gotta pay attention to. What's up, guys? It's Chris Conlon, your home lending guru, coming to you from California. And today we are breaking down what's actually really holding people back from affording a home. Now, it's not just the purchase price and it's not just the interest rates, but we got taxes and insurance that we really want to talk about. Now, those two components can absolutely affect affordability, and we're going to break them down today, so stay tuned. Everyone always talks about interest rates. Now, almost nobody talks about the two things that are quietly wrecking affordability right now, and those are insurance and property taxes. And for a lot of buyers, that's the real reason why the payment just doesn't pencil out. It's not the interest rate. Okay, now here is the thing. When people say my mortgage payment is too high, what they usually mean is a principal, interest, taxes, or insurance, which is the PITI payment. Now, rates might move up or down, but taxes and insurance, those almost never go down. Now, here's the thing. Let's start with insurance. Now, in a lot of markets, especially coastal, wildfire, or storm-prone areas, insurance premiums have exploded. I'm seeing buyers getting quoted $200, $300, sometimes even $400 or more per month than what they expected. Now, that's just from insurance costs alone. Here's what catches people off guard. Now, insurance isn't optional if you have a mortgage. Now, if rates drop tomorrow, but insurance doubles, your payment might not change that much at all. Now, this is especially big in places like California, Florida, and Texas, but it's creeping up everywhere across the nation. Okay, now let's talk about property taxes. Now, this one hurts because it's permanent. Now, when you buy a home, your taxes usually reset based upon the purchase price, not what the seller was paying. So buyers look at Zillow and think, oh, taxes are only $3,000 per year. And then boom, after reassessments, it's more like $7,500. That's another $375 a month forever. That's like having a brand new car without even having a car. Now, this is why two buyers can buy the same price home at the same rate and have totally different payments. Rates are the headline. Now, taxes and insurance are the fine print that actually decide if a deal works or not. If you're planning to buy this year, here is the move. Now, before you fall in love with a house, run the full payment, including realistic taxes and real insurance. This is exactly what I do to help my clients do up front so there are no surprises later, especially when we're in the transaction. If you want to, comment the word PITI or PITI and I'll break down how to estimate your real payment before you ever even make an offer. Because the best deal isn't the lowest rate. It's the one that you can comfortably afford long term. Okay, you guys, real talk. Now, before you go out and start looking for a home and before you start running the numbers and looking at interest rates, really pay attention to the things that actually really matter. Those are going to be your taxes and your insurance and everything that goes into buying a home, especially those things that could go wrong after you buy the home. Think about your plumbing, think about things like that. Not to scare you, but those are real costs over time. Now, thanks again for watching the video, guys. I hope this was helpful for you. Now, please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel if you are looking for tips and tricks when it comes to buying a home and just the real info. And if you found any value or you think someone else would find the value, please share this video with them again. And I'm coming up with these topics all the time, so always pay attention to what's coming up next.